Why do Estonians practice dancing and singing all the time? Because they want to be part of something great. The Estonian Song and Dance Celebration. And you are more than welcome to join us. The Estonian Song and Dance Celebration is a unique event that brings together a choir of 30,000 people every 5 years for a weekend in July. More than 70,000 people join to sing along and enjoy the concerts. The 150-year-old tradition adds up to 100,000 people enjoying music at the same event. There's nothing like it in Estonia, or anywhere else in the world. The challenging repertoire of the song celebration consists of traditional songs, works from the choir music authors from recent history, and especially commissioned contemporary music. Also, many foreign choirs register 2 years in advance and learn the repertoire in the Estonian language to be part of this amazing event. When the day to celebrate has come, the singing and dancing participants wear different Estonian national costumes. All those thousands of dressed-up performers walk their way to the Song Festival grounds. Excitement and joy is in the air. The traffic is stopped and people gather to watch more than 40,000 people march by. Everyone can follow the procession without a ticket. The route for the 5-kilometer-long procession begins in the center of town and ends at the Tallinn Song Festival grounds, a special place near the sea. The giant stage for the song celebrations was purpose-built and fits up to 25,000 singers. Akin to the long tradition of lighting the fire for Olympic Games, the Song and Dance Celebration has its own fire, lit at the beginning of the celebration and put out once it is over, marking the preparations to begin for the next cycle. During the Song and Dance Celebration, there are concerts throughout every day of the weekend, and for all the concerts, the audience needs to purchase tickets. The concerts take place in the open air, despite all weather conditions. The tickets go on sale at the beginning of the year, when the Song and Dance Celebration takes place. Laulupidu is the Estonian word for song celebration. The schedule and program is released during spring at www.laulupidu.ee. Come to Estonia. Be a part of something wonderful.
Üks paigake ilmanum viil, üks paigake miu jaos, kus tüüts kõrdalassid iid, ei tä missas kuuda kaos.